Open your browser and download Zoom application. Click on Download Center. Press on Download. Your file is downloading here. Press on the setup and it will start installing. Press on Sign Up. Enter your birth year. Select Google. Go to your browser. Select your account. Press on Continue. Press on Open Zoom Meeting. It will take you to the application directly. Different options are given here: New Meeting, Join, Schedule, Share Screen, and My Notes. Let's see how to schedule a meeting. To schedule a meeting, press on Schedule. It will take you to this page. Check your timetable. Keep in your mind the period number, time, and the class you are going to take. Go back to your Zoom application and select Schedule. Type here class you are going to take and period number and the subject you are going to teach. Select the date 29. Select the time, starting time of your period and the end time of your period. You can check your timetable and go according to that. This period you can repeat again next week on Sunday by selecting on Weekly on Sunday. Change this password to different numbers so it will be easy for the parents to enter. Waiting room, check-in, participants video should be on. Then you can select other calendars and save it. Let's go to schedule the second period. Type your class where you are going to take the period. If it is period number 3, you can type period number 3, 4 or whatever. Then mention the subject. Select the date. Check your timetable again and follow the time. Then you can select on Weekly on Sunday. Type an easy password on this option and save it. Close it. Let's go to schedule another meeting. Check your timetable and write your class where you are going to take, the period number and the subject you have to mention. Select the date, time, check your timetable again. Weekly on Sunday you have to select. You can change the region also, it's not necessary. Change the password on this option and save it. Let's find out where are the meetings. Select the date. After selecting the date, you have all the meetings here in front of you. Just select a meeting and check the meeting you have selected. Click on 3 dots and copy the link. Paste this link in your WhatsApp or the group you are going to share. Paste it and send to the parents. Now select the meeting again. See the period number. Start the video. You have to start your meeting exactly on time. Start it. Press on start. Before going to start the meeting, check your audio and video settings. You can test it. Then go for host settings. Press on host tools. Lock meeting, off this option. If you are going to keep on this option, nobody can join the link or he cannot enter the meeting. He cannot send the link. Follow these options. Press on participants now. Close the chat so students are not able to send the messages to each other. Follow these options as it is. Unmute themselves. So if you are going to off this option, so they cannot unmute themselves. Now go back, close this, and let's see how to share the screen. Press on share. First of all, let's see how to share the whiteboard. So press on documents and press on whiteboard. It will take some time to open it. As it will start, press on new. And now with the help of mouse, you can write here, but it is very difficult to write with the help of mouse. If you have your touchpad, you can use your finger, you can use your stylus to write. The second option is type the text. You can select text and you can type here to show the children. Now let's see how to share the screen. Go to the screen and press on the document you are going to share. So you can show your documents to the children. You can stop sharing the screen. Press on stop share. Before going to share the screen, do some settings. Don't let the child share the screen. So you have to select an option that is who can share. So only host can share the screen. Press on this option, host only. There are few advanced settings to do. Go to the host tools and press on advanced. Just follow these options. Go to apps. Share real-time meeting. Close this. Set meeting timer, also close this. Who can start a collaboration? Press on host only. Close these two options. And you can read it here. Kindly make sure you are going to use these options, settings as it is. To end the meeting, press on end and select end meeting for all.